Welcome to a Child First Preschool in McKenzie, Towne. When children arrive at the preschool, the teachers will open the door at the start of class time, and students will enter the preschool on their own. Once children enter the preschool, they will remove their coats and hang them on their designated coat hook. In table time, we provide various opportunities for children to develop their fine motor skills, encourage literacy and numeracy by providing letter and number recognition and printing opportunities. From table time, we move on to circle time, where we incorporate calendar time, learning days of the week, months of the year, seasons, and weather. Students are encouraged to ask the helper questions to encourage social interaction and communication skills. Literacy bags include a story about the letter or number they are learning that week. We also practice recognition and writing of the letters by using different handwriting without tears methods. After circle time is finished, students take part in the unstructured free play part of the class, in which one teacher will rotate small groups of students to join the teacher at the craft table to make something special, playing at different stations in the classroom, such as the water table, sand table, train table, imaginative playstation, or other playstations created by the teacher. After a busy day of play, students are hungry and ready for snack time. They clean up their toys while singing transition songs led by the daily special helper. After washing hands, they take their places at the tables, where we continue to encourage communication through fun conversations. During reading time, students are encouraged to share a book with a friend, or teachers may read an additional story at this time. We align a Child First Preschool with the Alberta Education Kindergarten Standards so that your child is ready for moving on to elementary school. After we finish reading, we move to gross motor time and closing circle, during which we may incorporate walking field trips to a green space, practice our twice-monthly non-religious based yoga program, or have fun with parachute or beanbag play. After gross motor and closing circle time is finished, it is time to go home. The teachers and students sing a special goodbye song, and children are released one at a time to their parent. Thank you for joining us on our video tour of a Child First Preschool in McKenzie, Towne.